Hey everyone, it is Fun Fact Friday. And we have diffuser recipes using peppermint, okay? So we're gonna get the diffuser. Samuel, can you get the diffuser? This is the dewdrop. This is a great diffuser. And so you're gonna take off both pieces. Most of the Young Living diffusers come and you take off the first two pieces. Then you'll see here, you're gonna fill it with water to the red dot. So we're gonna fill it with water. You can use distilled water, that's the preferred. If you don't, just do a squirt of witch hazel in it to help keep from hard water stains. You see the water?
I want to see water to the red dot.
No, the red dot? Is it to the red dot?
No. Yeah. No, it's not.
It's under the red dot, right?
It's under the red dot.
You don't want it over the red dot, right?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, so we're gonna do a diffuser blend called Forest Chill. And it is actually 2 of lemon, 2 of cypress, and 2 of peppermint. So you're gonna do 2 drops of lime. 2 drops of lime, 2 of cypress, and 2 of peppermint. So I did 2 of lime, 2 of cypress. All right, let go of him.
Stop. I just want to help over you.
Hold on, you can help me in just a second. And 2 of peppermint. Okay, so Samuel, can you put the little piece on first? So you put the little piece on. Now put the big.
I'll put the big.
Here. Oh, hold on. You gotta make sure it goes on right. And Shiloh, turn it on. Press the button. All right, what does it smell like? Hold on, wait. Oh, it is eyeball.
It's so good.
It smells good. It should be like Forest Chill. So 2 peppermint, 2 cypress, 2 lime. It smells really good. Here are some other blends for you to try out. You have a workout blend, 2 lemon, 2 peppermint, 2 grapefruit. Wake up, 2 peppermint, 2 lemon, 2 frankincense. If you need a focus, 3 peppermint, 3 orange. Fresh and clean, 3 stress away, 2 peppermint. Seasonal wellness is a trio. So you do 2 peppermint, 2 lemon, 2 lavender. If you want to smell like fresh cut grass, do 2 peppermint, 3 lemongrass. If you want to be a hippie mama, then do 2 peppermint, 2 lemon, and 2 patchouli. If you like sweet mint, 2 peppermint, 2 tangerine, and 2 ylang ylang. Candy cane is a big favorite of ours, especially during Christmas time, and that is 2 peppermint, 2 thieves. And then a head tension one, a good one is 2 majoram, 2 of thyme, 2 of rosemary, 2 of peppermint, and 2 of lavender. So that is some diffuser blends for you. Boys, you enjoy this?
Yeah.
You love the diffuser? They love the diffuser. All right, happy Friday. Bye, guys.
Bye, Dad.
Bye.